action. So, Memo's a dog and terrier, so he saves dogs. Remy, get out of the... So he saves dogs and cats and other puppies and stuff. And puppies and kittens. And he does a lot of work. Comes back in the afternoon and does hard work and stuff. And that, I wanted you to know that he really saves dogs. And here's Watson. He can run really fast. Oh my gosh. And he's a really great runner. Yeah, he is. So Lila's right here. They're both Pipples. And Lila is a female, and she just had kittens.
Like Memo was just joking around.
Yeah, Memo was just joking around. Oh, Lila.
We were pretending Lila had kittens. Pretending she had kittens.
And now, you have to see my face.
Okay, I'll take over. I'll film you. Record
And
you.
you can see my big bump.
What happened to your face?
I got busted.
You got busted? I thought you said you ran into the back of some other kid's head.
Yeah, I ran into the back of some other.
Where was it? At school?
At
Or-
Rover.
At Rover. Where's Rover?
A few blocks away.
Rover is a Rover Elementary?
Yeah.
It's, what's your program called? Kids Zone?
Kids Zone summer camp.
Okay. Oh, so it's just summer camp. I mean, you go and what do you do there?
I work. Whoa, Lila! Get out of me. So, Lila's just in the way.
It's okay, I can still hear you. What do you work? I thought you work or you do play sports and stuff. Stop, please.
I play sports and do clinics and doing squats. Ah! I'm trying not to let her lick my face.
You can tell her down.
Down, Lila. Down.
Lila. Down.
When could I do mine?
And you can see that jungle over there. I'll take over.
Okay. Switch.
It's over there. Can you move the chair out?
I can. Excuse me, Watson. Moving the chair.
And here's the jungle. And the
Remy. Stop, please.
In the jungle has a lot of animals, like monkeys and leopards and tigers and leopard and mountain lions. Do they have mountain lions?
In the jungle? Well, the jungle, it's kind of complicated because there's different jungles, right?
Yeah.
A jungle's like a type of growth. It's not confined to one place. So you'll have places like India. Mountain lions, you saw Homeward Bound, right?
Yeah.
They saw the mountain lion?
No.
Didn't you?
No.
They launched the mountain lion into the water. Anyway, that was in America. The jungles you can find India, South America. North America will have jungles as you go down towards Mexico. So Central America. A lot of times they're by the equator. But it's not a super technical term.
And here's Moby Dick. He's a giant whale. Let him back up.
What species are they?
He's a sperm whale. And they attack him so they can use his oil to light up stuff.
And he never gets caught.
And he never gets caught.
That's right.
I'm ready to show my. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to do my picture.
Okay. What day is it today? Today is the 24th of June.
Yeah.
June? Yeah.
Yeah, 24th.
All right. This is Ender. This has been Ender and Remy. Say signing off or something.
Signing off or something.
Perfect.
Signing off.
Signing off.